With this video, I wanted to introduce the section of the course that's coming up, which is going to be SEO. SEO can be daunting and confusing, and it can seem like it's a long-term project, but it doesn't have to be. And the way I teach it makes it easy. I break it down to 3 very distinct parts, after which you will see it's actually not that bad, not that hard. It does not have to take a long time if you do it smart. Obviously, some things do take a long time, but there are only a few things that take a long time. A lot of things can get done relatively quickly. So what are the 3 parts? The very first part of SEO is always keyword research, finding keywords that bring in clients who spend the most money, not traffic that doesn't buy, and keywords that you can rank for that are good for your business. Okay, identifying that is the foundation of everything. If you get the wrong keywords, it doesn't matter what else you do for your SEO. So that's what we're going to focus on first. It's really important. And it's very nuanced, so we're going to be discussing it in the coming videos. And once you become good at keywords, you can get them pretty quickly. You can do the keyword research in a matter of 30 minutes, 1 hour. For now, I'd recommend you focus on it a little more just to get the exercise of doing that. But after you do get your keyword research, which still should take you like under a day, then you do your on-page SEO, which basically means placing those keywords on your website, or if you have other places where you're doing SEO, like on YouTube or on your Google local map or on any freelancing site or anywhere else you're doing SEO, because SEO is not just Google, then on-page SEO basically means placing your keywords correctly on wherever listing you are. Maybe it's your site or maybe YouTube or those places. After you've got your on-page SEO done, and by the way, still the keyword research and the on-page SEO still can take under like a day. And if you choose those right, the ranking can happen quickly as long as you don't try to compete for extremely competitive keywords. But if you do compete for keywords that are competitive, then what does take a while, and even having said that, there are ways to speed it up, but what does take a while is the off-page SEO, meaning all the work you do to help your website or wherever you have a listing to help that rank higher. And that does take some time because it's partially, if it's your first time doing this, you have to learn how to execute this strategy well, but also you kind of depend on outside factors to help you rank. So this part can be a little bit time consuming and long term, but don't feel daunted. It might not be the case for you. And just another note, don't think like SEO is just Google search for your website. There's so much SEO going on Amazon.com, on Google Map, on the Google Map, on Yelp.com, on Fiverr, on YouTube, so many places. Basically, the way you should look at it is SEO is where a lot of content or product discovery happens through search. So every site has search, like Facebook. It has a search option, but people don't really use that search that much, right? Twitter, not really, right? But on YouTube, people search for the content. On Fiverr or Amazon, people search for the content. And so obviously on Google, people search for the content. So if your business is a fit to be on some other platform, maybe like Yelp or Fiverr or wherever else, and that platform has a high degree of discoverability through search, then you're going to be able to actually reuse your keyword research and use all the same keywords to rank there. And also a lot of the on-page elements will also be similar. But in any case, this is just an introduction video. And with the next videos, let's actually begin doing your SEO, starting with keyword research.